In this video, I'm going to be talking about manifesting your specific person. You're able to attract the love of your dreams that you truly deserve by this very interesting concept called audacious magnetism. Hey everyone, my name is Kyle. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a lovely day. I'm super friggin' excited to share this wonderful concept with you called audacious magnetism, audacious energy, audacious mindset. And this concept really changed the game for me when it comes to manifesting. So much easier. There's a lot of lingo with manifestation that I don't truly like because it can be kind of confusing to the regular person, because I know that you just want to manifest your specific person, or you want to manifest money, or you want to manifest this, that, the next thing, and you just don't know how to do it. You just want to transform your life, increase the quality of life of your life, and you just don't know how to do it. And this concept is super easy to understand. It's not too hokey, it's not too magical, it is really real life. And when you adopt this kind of new mindset, tap into this energy, things just happen for you. So I'm super excited to kind of explain what that is in this video, especially when it pertains to attracting your specific person. Before we jump right into this video, I do have a free manifestation cheat sheet guide, and in this guide I'm having 34 of my favorite tips and tricks when it comes to manifestation. So if you need more clarity around manifestation, if you're struggling with manifestation, or you want easier techniques about manifestation that I haven't yet highlighted in my YouTube channel, check this freebie guide out. This will definitely help you with your manifestation. Subscribe to the channel, notification button, and follow me on my social medias, my Facebook, my Instagram, and my TikTok. I sincerely appreciate that. And yeah, let's just jump right into this video. Yeah, like I said, I'm so freaking excited to talk about this concept. I've had this concept in the works for a while now. I'm not sure if I'm the inventor of this mindset. I'm not going to claim I am. But when I had some recollections about my manifestations, and I wanted to able to explain manifestation and more personal development concepts with you guys, that it's just a lot easier. You're able to get the results that you truly deserve a lot quicker, a lot faster, and without the we're just cutting out the confusion, because sometimes it's the manifestation buzzwords. I know what they're trying to say, but I feel like a lot of times, especially I've seen other creators comments of I'm not really sure what this really means. Well, this concept is called audacious magnetism, tapping into audacious energy, and adapting that audacious mindset. They're all interchangeable words, but essentially when you become an audacious person, it's you are very daring, you're very confident, you are very excited about life, you are having fun, you really believe in your dreams, your goals, and nothing is going to shift you. You're very determined to get those goals, those dreams, and those desires. And you also act as if, and you're also kind of in the end result when it comes to manifesting your person of your dreams, or manifestation in general. And Neville Goddard does talk about that a lot. And if you're not familiar with Neville Goddard, he's just a very prominent law of attraction teacher. And he talks about with manifestation, using your imagination and living in the end result, acting like you already have your manifestation right now. Because if you do that, your energies are now in alignment with the universe, and you're able to bring and draw those desires into your life. But becoming an audacious person is going to help you do that, because when you tap into that, things just happen for you. You're able to draw objects, people, experiences, and opportunities into your life, and you're going to be thinking how the hell did this happen? Or how my SP literally just came up to me, and I just didn't know. I was so unexplainable. It's because it's an energy around you. You have this it factor about you that draws people in. You're very captivating to be around. People just want to be around you. Your energy is very powerful. It radiates out you. You have this magnetic charm about you that people want to be around you. And you're having fun. You're believing yourself. Like I said, you're fearless. You're unapologetically yourself. You're authentically yourself. It's a really great quality to have, especially when you want to manifest your specific person. And so that person's gonna fall in love with you now and gonna be attracted to you, because you're not chasing them, you're not coming from a place of neediness and lack. Because when we do that, we become very unattractive. We actually repel people away from us, or we're repelling other opportunities, money, people, experiences, anything like that. And so now that we understand what audacious energy is, I'm going to be talking about a couple really fun affirmations that you can recite on the daily basis that will help you become more of an audacious person. Because I like affirmations a lot, because we have to use affirmations in a correct way and have this correct energy about it, because if we don't, we are actually, it won't work because we don't really believe in what we're saying to ourselves. But with affirmations, it's just essentially just some self-talk about our inner chatter about ourselves. And right now you might be having not so great inner chatter about yourself, and you might be telling yourself really negative, bad things that aren't true about yourself, and we have to let them go. And maybe the reason why you have those negative inner chatter is because you're really believing in those limiting beliefs about yourself that, oh, I can't have my specific person because I have acne on myself, I have acne, I have yellow teeth, I don't have straight teeth, I don't have the career I don't have, like my stuff together, or XYZ that you're telling yourself. We have to let those things go, and these affirmations are going to be super, super powerful to tapping into audacious energy and becoming an audacious person. And so, without further ado, I'm going to be reading off some affirmations. I want you to kind of close your eyes while listening to these affirmations. If you don't want to close your eyes, that is fine. I just prefer if you did that, because then you can kind of really feel the energy of the words. But you can always just listen to my voice. And I also want you to kind of back up the video a couple times and really write down the affirmations, because then you're able to remember them and kind of refer back to them. If you can't find this video later on, refer back to them, and you're able to kind of feel the power and really tap into being an audacious person. These affirmations are really going to help. So without further ado, we're going to talk about these affirmations. I'm a powerful magnet for love. I radiate authentic confidence in every situation. I'm audaciously myself, unafraid of being seen. Love flows naturally and abundantly into my life. The universe conspires to bring me the love I desire. I am deserving of love, and I attract it effortlessly. My audacious energy draws in the perfect love for me. Now I want you to open your eyes. What do you guys think about those affirmations? Like I said, I want you to recite those affirmations. They're super, super important. Very crucial about this video is because you're going to be able to become an audacious person. When you become audacious, things just happen for you. And I really love the word audacious. It's very, very powerful when you say it. And because you are rewriting your limiting beliefs, you're going to be tapping into audacious energy, and then you're going to be cultivating an audacious mindset, and things just happen for you. You're going to be very light, bright. You're going to have a lot of inner confidence for yourself, a lot of self-love for yourself. You're going to be able to really believe in your dreams. You're going to act as if you have those things. You're going to be able to be in the end result. And when you do all those things in combination and also have that magnetic charm, things just happen for you. Things will draw into your life, especially that specific person. So yes, give this a whirl. I'm super, super excited. Thank you so much for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. Comment down below if this is working for you. I really want to hear from you. If you have any questions for me about law of attraction, I want to hear from you, so definitely leave a comment down below. Like I said, I do have that free manifestation cheat sheet guide available, and that will help you with your manifestations. I am really, really close to launching another free gift for you. I've already sent it to my current subscribers on my email list. It should be available tomorrow's video. We're able to sign up and get a free meditation on manifesting your specific person. I'm super, super excited for you guys to listen to this, because this will help you become an audacious person and get that magnetic charm about you, and not only hold yourself back, because when you hold yourself back, you are missing out on opportunities and experiences and the love that you truly deserve. And I'll see everyone in the next video. Bye!